Hey guys, check this thing out. It's an 1986 Dodge D150. This is the Royal SE, which is the nicest one you could buy in 1986. So it had electric locks, electric windows, driver's side still works. It's got quarter windows, which I love. It looks like it's probably got 106,000 miles on it. There's really no way to know for sure. It purrs like a kitten. It's a little straight six in here, just runs really good. It's got some idling issues. There's some vacuum lines that are unhooked, some little things that need to be adjusted on. Transmission needs a little bit of work. It will not go into reverse. Here's reverse. The motor calms down, but I'm rolling forward. So gotta look at that. So that'll be something coming up. But overall, it's really a pretty good truck. The dash on this thing is really nice. Like, it's really good. It's amazing there's no cracks or anything in it. Like, it's just really good. So it definitely needs some air in the rear tire. Feel it dancing around on the way home. But it cruised right to the shop. I mean, it did good. Which I'm down here at church now and got some shots. But I'm about to head back to the house, and you know, this thing, pretty cool truck. Dang it. Hey, fired back up. Look at that. We weren't sure about this battery. First, second. Third. Cool. All right, guys, the sun's going down quick nowadays. So anyways, got it over here to the shop, and pretty excited about this whole thing. Does pretty good. So looking into the reverse thing, it may just be the reverse servo. So I'm really hoping that's what it is. Get some fresh fluid in it and a new filter and see what it'll do.